We talked so much about how to heal from a broken relationship that you forgot to tell me how to move on from a broken friendship. You forgot to tell me how to move on from you. And if you ask me, I feel like broken friendships are far worse than broken relationships, because how can I move on from someone I love as much as I'd love a sister? How can I move on from someone I kept so dear? How can I move on from the last person I hugged when I graduated? To the best friend that I drifted apart from, call me one more time to tell me how life has been all this while you haven't spoken to me. Call me one more time to rant all over again about this crush who isn't talking to you anymore. Call me one more time to tell me and bug me about how your other best friends are treating you nicer than I do. Call me one more time just how you used to wake me up for university because I was getting late again. You hated that, didn't you? Me showing up at 9:10 for a class that started at 8:30 because you were a CR and you had to cover my ass in front of the teachers. Or did you hate my borderline 75% attendance that landed me 2 failed courses, eventually leading to you failing a course as well? Because who are best friends if not the ones failing courses together? Or did you hate that we both ended up with a 2.5 CGPA because you kept sleeping in an all-nighter that you planned at your place? Or was it something about me that you hated? Did you hate that I wasn't as expressive as you wanted me to be? Did you hate that I was far too logical when all you needed was emotional support? Or did you hate that I wasn't as affectionate when expressing my love for you? Because I would take anything as a reason to not believe that you chose to walk away from a friendship that you promised to keep. I keep replaying all those moments in my head, Us sitting at the cafe together, just spilling tea about life. People asking us about the other person if we were ever seen alone individually. All those chai bethaks at Mac Corner. All the times we watched the sunset together. All the time we watched the rain together. Us getting along with each other's mothers. Amma asks me about you, She asks me where you are. You didn't get to meet my Bhanji either. I didn't get to attend your Mehndi either. You took my Banno ki Saheli moment away from me. And just like that, you won't get to see me off at the airport as well. And I have to leave, because I refuse to live in a city that has so much about you. I refuse to live in a city where I can no longer make friends because it constantly reminds me of you. We talked so much about how to heal from a broken relationship that you forgot to tell me how to move on from a broken friendship. You forgot to tell me how to move on from you. And if you ask me, I feel like broken friendships are far worse than broken relationships, because how can I move on from someone I love as much as I'd love a sister? How can I move on from someone I kept so dear? How can I move on from the last person I hugged when I graduated? And you promised to stay in touch. I have a lot to complain about, honestly. So call me one more time. Call me so I can tell you how angry I am. Call me so I can tell you how excruciatingly painful it is for me to be the friend you left out from the big things that were happening in your life. Call me so I can tell you I've missed you. Call me so I can tell you I have loved you and adored you as much as I did when we became friends. Call me so we can live the ideal friendship that you promised we'd live. Call me and we can forget this ever happened. So to the best friend who walked out of my life one fine day without giving me a closure, please don't walk past me when you see me at the grocery store. Please don't walk past my name when you scroll through your contact list. Please don't dim my space to anyone else. Please don't be a stranger to me. And oh God, do anything, be anything, but please don't stop calling me.